Today we're diving into the captivating world of the Book of Daniel, chapters 4 to 6. Imagine a story filled with dreams, trials, and supernatural deliverance, each moment revealing powerful lessons that transcend time.
In chapter 4, we meet King Nebuchadnezzar, who, despite his earthly might, learns a divine lesson in humility. The king has a troubling dream of a grand tree cut down, and only Daniel can interpret it. This dream, found in Daniel 4:10-16, symbolizes Nebuchadnezzar's own fall from power due to his pride, warning him to recognize that true sovereignty belongs to God. But will he heed this warning? Chapter 5 shifts to the infamous feast of Belshazzar. As the king arrogantly uses sacred temple vessels for his party, a mysterious hand writes on the wall. This chilling moment, captured in Daniel 5:25-28, declares Belshazzar's doom. His days are numbered. Daniel reveals the writing foretells the kingdom's fall, and that very night Belshazzar is slain. This chapter warns of the consequences when hubris blinds us to divine warnings. Moving to chapter 6, we find Daniel trapped in a lion's den due to a plot by jealous rivals. Daniel's unwavering faith is his only defense against a certain death.
Miraculously, God saves him, as detailed in Daniel 6 verse 22. My God sent his angel, and he shut the mouths of the lions.
This triumph of faith inspires us, showing that steadfast trust in God delivers us from life's fiercest trials. These chapters collectively teach us valuable lessons about pride, accountability, and faith. Nebuchadnezzar's humbling, the writing on the wall, and Daniel's deliverance from lions all emphasize the sovereignty of God. And the ultimate triumph of faith over adversity. Whether you're well-versed in Scripture or a curious newcomer, the stories in Daniel captivate and challenge us, urging reflection on our own lives. Join us as we explore these profound tales of faith and divine power.